Hello, good morning students. Welcome back. Yesterday we had already started the sugar plum tree. What did we study about this sugar plum tree? It is an imaginative poem. If there is a small child and he has a dream, in his dream what he sees a sugar plum tree which has lot of candies, or you can say it has lot of lollipops on the tree. And then what will be the reaction of the child in the dream, that is given in the poem. Here it is told that, have you ever heard of the sugar plum tree? It is a marvel of great renown. It blows on a shore of a lollipop sea. On what shore it grows? It grows on lollipop sea shore. Correct or not? And this lollipop sea shore is in the it is in the garden, and in that garden there is one tree, and name of that tree is what? Sugar plum tree. Correct? In this way I have explained you poem in short. Now today we are going to start with question answers of the exercise. Your first question is, write the names of the following from the poem. What is first question? Write the names of the following from the poem. Write the names of following from the poem. Now first one is given here is dash tree. Okay, now we have to write down names from the poem. Which tree? Then answer will be what? The sugar plum tree. So answer will be what? The sugar PLUM plum tree. The sugar plum tree. That will be our answer. Okay. Next one, second one is given is dash C. Dash C. What answer will come over there? Second answer will be lollipop C. Lollipop C. Third one, blank which is given here is dash town. What will be the answer of town, dash town? Which town it will be? Shut eye town. Okay. So answer will be shut, S-H-U-T, shut eye. This is our answer, and further we are going to write down is town. Shut eye town. Okay. This was our first question. Now second question, answer the following questions. What is second question? Answer the following. Answer the following. First one which is given here is, where does the sugar plum tree bloom? What is first question? Where does the sugar plum tree bloom? Sugar plum tree कुठे bloom झालं, कुठे grow झालं, what we call in Marathi for that, कुठे उगवलंय? Then here answer is, it blooms on the shore of lollipop sea. So answer which I am going to give you is here, that the sugar plum tree, this is answer, the sugar plum tree blooms on the shore of the lollipop sea. It grows on the shore of lollipop sea. Okay, that is our first answer. Now second question which is given here is, why is the town called Shut Eye Town? Why is the town called Shut Eye Town? Because it is a dream, right? So poet is saying that it is a dream of a garden by the lollipop sea which grows the sugar plum tree. Okay, So it is called what? It is called Shut Eye Town. Second answer, The poet dreams of a garden, the poet dreams of a garden by the lollipop sea, grows the sugar plum tree. Grows the sugar plum tree. Third question which is given in the book is, what happens if you eat the fruit of sugar plum tree? What will happen if you will eat the fruit of sugar plum tree? You will feel to eat that fruit next day morning again. Okay. If we eat the fruit of the sugar plum tree, if we eat the fruit of sugar plum tree, we will feel to eat on the next day. We will feel to eat it on the next day. Okay, this is our answer. Understood? In this way we have completed question number 1 and question number 2, and question number 3 which is given in the book is, using your imagination. You have to use your imagination. Using your imagination, write about other wonderful things that you may find in. What more wonderful things you will find in Shatai town? तुमच्या मनाने हे आन्सर लिहायचे. ओके. And second one is, what will be your imagination about lollipop sea? Okay. And the last question is, write 3 to 4 lines about the real fruit tree that you like. Now which fruit tree do you like? If you like mango, then write 2 to 3 sentences on mango. If you like strawberry, then write down 2 to 3 lines on strawberry. If you like coconut, then write down 2 to 3 lines on coconut. Understood? Whatever fruit you like, about that fruit you have to write down 2 or 3 lines. Now we have completed poem. I will send you question answers of workbook on WhatsApp group, and then you have to complete your workbook as well as your notebook, question answers in notebook. Understood? This is your homework for today. Okay. Thank you.